Hello everyone, welcome you all Maharaja Polytechnic e-learning classes. Myself Swagatika. Let's study today about communication. Already we have completed all our courses before the CAFET. So let's start the revision classes. So today's topic is communication. Communication is not only a topic in diploma but also it is a topic in BCom, BBA, CA, BTech, everywhere. So what is communication? Simply communication is an act of transferring information from one place to another place, or from one person to another person, or one group to another group. So where the word comes from? So communication is a Latin word. Communication comes from a Latin word communicare. Communicare means sharing. Okay, so the word communication comes from a Latin word communicare, which means sharing. So here we have question that what is sharing? What we are going to sharing? We are going to share our knowledge. So communication means sharing our knowledge. Here we have 3-4 definition about communication by different philosophers. The first one is by William Scott. William Scott says that communication is a process which involves the transmission of accurate replication of idea ensured by feedback for the purpose of eliciting action which will accomplish organization goal. The second, Peter Little says that communication is the process by which information is transmitted between individual or organization so that an understanding response. The third one says that Keith Davis defined communication as the process of passing information and understanding from one person to another person. It is essentially a bridge of meaning between the people. By using the bridge, a person can safely cross a bridge of misunderstanding. The fourth one says that communication is the exchange of meaning between individuals through a common system of symbols. So all the definition indicates that communication means sharing our knowledge. To better understand, let's have one example. Here I have one example. Here I am taking Ram as A and Navin as B. Navin has two black shirts. Okay, Navin has two black shirts. One is printed black and the second one is plain black. Ram want to go a party where black dress is mandatory, but Ram don't have any black dress. So Ram requests Navin for his black dress, but he don't mention that he want a plain black or printed black. So Ram request for plain black, but Navin understand it for printed black. So here what Ram tried to convey Navin, it is not conveyed in the same way as Ram tried to do so, whereas Navin took it in the other sense. So this is called miscommunication. So communication does not mean that only sharing our knowledge. It says that the both will understand the same way. Okay, communication is only even both the parties, that is the sender and the receiver, understand the same thing in the same way. At that point the communication is complete. So here communication needs three basic things. One is sender, one is receiver. So they both sharing their knowledge in their message. So what is sender? Sender who encodes his knowledge and skill to develop a message. To develop a message, sender encode his message to the receiver. And then what is receiver? Receiver who decode the message and send feedback. So who is receiver? Receiver is who decode the message to the sender and gave her feedback. Then what is message? It is created by the sender and for transmitted to the receiver. So now you got it. Communication is only possible or only defined when the both person understand the same thing as the same way.